How to delete Gmail account permanently on PC. If you would like to delete your Gmail account permanently from your PC, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to simply open up your browser, then go to gmail.com and log into your Gmail account. Click on the profile icon located at the top right hand side, and then from there you can simply go to the option called manage your Google account. Once you go to the option called manage your Google account, here you will see this interface where on the left hand side you can go to the option called data and privacy. Once you go to the option called data and privacy, you can simply scroll down all the way to the very bottom until you see this option that says delete your Google account, which is your entire account and data. Just make sure to click on the option. One thing that I would recommend you is to read everything that Google says you to, because your Gmail account is your Google account. Every services, any service or payment service linked to your Google account will also be deleted. So you're not only removing Gmail, you're deleting your whole Google account, which could be your Google Payments, your Google Family, your Google AdSense if you have, your Blogger website, your Gmail conversations, your Google Authenticator, your Google Photos if you've backed up, your YouTube channel associated with your Google account. All of the services are actually going to get deleted. So you want to be really careful about this. And if you still want to proceed, you can just agree to the terms and conditions and click the delete account button right there. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in our next video.